This is BMW's Silverback Gorilla. This is the M8 competition. This is BMW's challenger to the Gran Turismo sector. It challenges the Aston Martin DB11, the Mercedes S63, and the Maserati GT. Now I want to ask you this question. Would you buy this over an Aston Martin? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to take you through to the front of the vehicle. I'm going to take you to the heart of this 4.4 V8 colossal car. Takes a lot of time just to get you. It took me over 3 seconds. This car has a massive hood. Now, this being the M8 competition, it has 25 horses more than your general M8. The actual total is 625 horsepower. This thing is colossal. It accelerates harder than a Ferrari F8. 2.8 seconds to be exact. And as well as this car is faster in the quarter mile than the Z06, which is absolutely mind-blowing for Gran Turismo. This car is all about performance. BMW did not leave any stone unturned. This competition has so much more in the internals. This was like the older motor, but they changed the pistons, the cam rods. They changed so many internals of this motor just to really unleash the beast. How do you handle all that horsepower? I mean, when you get in a car that's got over 600 horsepower, it's not the easiest thing to drive. I can imagine when you put in 4-wheel drive and have yourself a good Sunday cruise, but everyone wants to be a bit naughty in an M car. And you can put this thing in 2-wheel drive and let the tail swing out. But I wonder what happens when the wealthy who don't really know how to drive, how they really end up. Now we're on the exterior. Now, instead of me just telling you how cool or how uncool the exterior is, I'd rather let you be the judge.
Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure.
My first impressions already on the interior. The seats are so comfortable, which is a signature formula for those Gran Turismo cars. But at the same time, it feels racy. The seats are done in this beautiful diamond stitch. And I really love the two-tone colors and the illuminating badge. Now, another thing I really enjoy about these cars is just the signature look of these cars. I really do enjoy how the gear selector looks. Just fits in the hand, it just feels a lot more solid. Now, another cool feature about this car, it comes with a lot of modes, like relaxation modes. But who the f uses relaxation mode in an M car? I think that mode should be absolutely deleted. BMW, listen to me, no one needs to use it and no one will use it, because when you're in a car like this, all you want to do is press the start button. Get really aroused by the actual sound. Put it in Sport Plus mode, which you can do right here on the steering wheel. Hit that M2 button, confirming that you are in the right mode, which is Sport Plus mode, and take this car for a bit of a drive, like you're supposed to drive an M car, and that is aggressive with not any turn signals, cutting people off and scraping your spoiler on the bumps. Now that's how you drive a BMW. Now, when it comes to the features of the car, it's really equipped with all the technology you would ever want that BMW provides in a lot of their flagship cars. But the only thing I have to dog BMW about is you get a lot of features that you get in the M116. Now, come on, BMW, step up your game. If we're going to spend that kind of money on a car like this, we expect some special features. At least give us some sort of crystal gear knob like you find in the iX. Now, if you guys want to see a special BMW interior, I suggest click on the top right hand corner and see the last review I did on the BMW iX. Does this car feel comfortable and luxurious enough to compete against those Astons and Mercedes? Well, in my opinion, it's really comfortable. I really find myself enjoying the atmosphere of this car, and I could actually see myself daily driving this car. The suspension is not too stiff. It won't shake your bones when you hit a 5 Rand coin on the roads. The drivability is great, and I can actually see myself, if I actually had kids, taking them to school and possibly doing a burnout in the car park like a real BMW driver should. I must say, this car has impressed me in so many ways. I had my doubts. I thought, why would I spend so much money on a Gran Turismo? But if you see yourself driving in a day-to-day in traffic and decide to get a little bit excited and put this car in M Sport Plus, This car will teach you why buying a car like this is so much more worth it. And I give my thumbs up approval when it comes to this car. That's Alexander from Red Review. Guys, catch you again. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.